In a vast and verdant forest, there lived a blue jay, known as Bold Blue. He was not the most beautiful bird in the forest, but he was the most boisterous. His vibrant blue feathers shimmered under the sun, but his loud calls often echoed through the trees, disturbing the peace. One day, while Bold Blue was perched on a high branch, he saw a serene pond below. A reflection of tranquility, it was untouched by the chaos that Bold Blue often caused. Intrigued, he decided to visit. As he fluttered down to the pond, the quietude was broken. A tiny frogturtle, startled by the commotion, fell into the water. Bold Blue watched, indifferent, as the frogturtle struggled. Suddenly, a small fish emerged. Swimming gracefully, it guided the frogturtle to the shore. The frogturtle was safe, but Bold Blue felt a strange sensation. He realized that his boisterousness had caused harm. Next day, Bold Blue visited the pond again. This time, he was silent, observant. He saw a butterfly struggling to emerge from its cocoon. Bold Blue waited patiently, and when the butterfly finally flew, he felt a sense of accomplishment. From that day forward, Bold Blue learned the value of silence and patience. He realized that loud calls and boisterous behavior were not the only ways to make an impact. In fact, they could often cause more harm than good. The blue jay's tale serves as a reminder to us all. In our pursuit of making an impact, let us not forget the power of silence and patience. For it is in these moments that true growth and change can occur.